I recently told a colleague of mine that my sixth book will be coming out in a few days. He looked at me quite strangely and said, "Where do you find the time?" And I answered him, and that answer that I gave to him is what I want to share with you in this video. How do you find time to be productive? Stick with me. Hi there, my name is Dr. Samuel Ekundayo, the Purpose Preacher. If this is your first time watching Motivitality on any platform, please subscribe to the channel so that you never get to miss another video. Time is a gift, and time was given to us to fulfill the purpose of life. Whether you're tall or you're short, you're fat or you're slim, you're rich or you're poor, you've only got 24 hours in a day. And trust me, that 24 hours is exactly what you need to fulfill the purpose of God for your life and to live an effective and productive life. I know we hear people all the time say things like, 24 hours is not enough. I wish I could have 48 hours. I wish I could have 72 hours in a day. Unfortunately, that's never going to happen. So it's not the amount of time that we have that really matters. What really matters is what we do with the time that we have. You'll be very shocked that the very same time you're complaining about that is not enough is the very same time someone that you know has, and they are doing so much more with it. And that's why many people are shocked when someone like me says, I'm publishing my sixth book, or even when we hear somebody say they're making billions of money and they literally have the same number of kids you have a wife or have a husband, and at the same time excelling very much well in business with none of those other areas of their life getting affected. What they've simply learned is how to maximize their time. I guess the question you are probably asking is, how do you maximize your time? How do you become more productive and effective with your time? See, the key to it is learning the principle of prioritization. What do you prioritize? What are the things that you put ahead of other things in life? So many people put playful activities ahead of the important activities of their life. And they are shocked and surprised that the things that really need to mark their productivity are not paid attention to. So for you to be productive and effective, what you need to do is to intentionally prioritize the things that are important to you. Prioritize spending time with your family. Prioritize getting started on that vision, that idea that you've always had. Prioritize that book you want to write. Prioritize that work that you are passionate about. When you put that on the top of your priority list, you will soon realize that you're spending enough time on those things and you're producing results. Also, prioritization helps you to alleviate the life of excuses. What many people don't realize is you cannot have excuses and results at the same time. You must nullify the life of excuses so that your life will be full of results. Pareto Principles tells us that 80% of the results you get in your life, it comes from 20% of the work that you do. That means that the amount of productivity you're going to have in your life is based on some key activities, key things that you do. The top of your priority list will produce your most results. This means you've got to selectively and carefully pay attention to the things that you do, to the things you prioritize if you want to get the results that you want in your life. This is one of my secrets. I try not to do everything I could do and focus on the right things that I'm supposed to be doing. Because I've come to realize the time spent on the things you're not supposed to be doing is time away from the things you are supposed to be doing. And the more time you spend on the things you are supposed to be doing, the more results you get, the more productive you get, the more effective your life becomes. And soon people are going to be asking you, where do you find the time? And listen, my friend, you've got to prioritize. You've got to alleviate the life of excuses so that you can get the best and make the most out of your time. I believe